Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to redeem Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to redeem Roblox gift card. Maybe because you are a fan of Roblox app and you have purchased a Roblox gift card and now you don't know how to get Robux from that card and you're struggling with it. Or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to redeem Roblox gift card. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can redeem a Roblox gift card. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to make sure that you already have installed a Roblox app in your mobile phone. In case you don't have one, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. One more thing that you have to make sure that you already have a Roblox card. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. The app will just take a while to load its content and then you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, if you tap onto the middle option, you will see how much Robux you have, and in that option you can get other Robux, but unfortunately we couldn't redeem Roblox gift card. Therefore get back and open a browser. You can go with any browser of your choice. Here I'm going with a Google Chrome. Just simply tap onto the browser and on the search bar you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you go with the same link as I have described so that you could end up on this website. This is the correct website by Roblox itself. You could also say its icon. There you could also see an option on the top right, redeem code or card. So both of the things are same. If it's written code or maybe card, the things are same. Just simply tap onto that option and with the help of that you can easily redeem your Roblox code. So here you have to redeem the Roblox card, but the code is on the card, therefore both of the things are same. So if you have a physical card, then you will see a code on the back side of it that you have to type it here. But if you have a virtual card like me, then you will receive the code through mail or any other source. You have to copy that code and paste that code here. Once you paste that code, just simply scroll down and there you will see this redeem option. Just simply tap onto that. It will just take a while to redeem your code, and now you just have to simply get back, open the app, and there you will see that you have received the Robux. Once you have received the Robux, you can also check here and you can also spend it by just purchasing different items in this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can redeem Roblox gift card. Also, if you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.